Hello everyone, welcome to Star Studies. In this video, we're going to derive the three equations of motion. These are the three equations of motion. When using these equations for problem solving, you must make sure that the acceleration given in the question is uniform acceleration. Now we're going to derive the first equation. The initial velocity of an object will be denoted by variable u. The final velocity will be denoted by variable v. The uniform acceleration of that body will be denoted by a, and the time taken to reach the final velocity will be t. To derive this equation, we're going to start with the formula for acceleration. Change in velocity by time. Change in velocity can also be denoted as final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken, or also as delta v by delta t. Acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Now we're going to multiply both the left hand side and the right hand side by t. We're going to add u both on the left hand side and the right hand side. There it is, we've derived the first equation of motion. This is the second equation, and as we can see here on the left hand side we have a new variable. This variable s denotes displacement. Okay, so to derive this formula we're going to start with the formula for distance traveled. As I mentioned before, acceleration is uniform, so average velocity can also be written like this. Final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2 multiplied by time as given here. In this equation, we are now going to substitute the value for the variable v. Recall the first equation of motion. We are going to substitute these variables in the place of v here. Now we're going to simplify this by adding the numerator. Both these terms are multiplied by t, so we will simplify the equation further. The 2 and 2 get cancelled, and the final equation is ut plus half at squared. We have also derived the second equation of motion. To derive this equation, we are going to recall both the second equation of motion as well as the first equation of motion. Recalling the first equation of motion, we are going to rearrange this equation such that t is on the left hand side. Now we're going to substitute 2 in 1. Now we have to simplify this equation. Now rearranging the terms in this equation, we will get and there it is. We've derived the third equation of motion as well. I hope you guys found this video useful and entertaining. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel and stay tuned because the next video will be how to derive these equations of motion using the graphical method. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!